After 1 month of ordering my new laptop, it's finally arrived. So today I'm going to do a very quick unboxing of the new Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5. So it came in this brown package, which weighs about 2.5 kgs. So let's do a quick unboxing. So there seems to be a box in a box. Let me just put this aside. So there are there's a safety and warranty guide, probably a quick start guide. So the unit that I bought is the IdeaPad Flex 5 14-inch, which comes with the AMD Ryzen 7 4700U. I'm just going to leave this aside for now. Right, so what is in the box? There is the laptop itself. Now, for those who have not seen this yet, this is actually a 2-in-1 foldable laptop. So what else comes in the package? Now, remind you that this is actually ordered from Lenovo Malaysia website. So this would be the Malaysia Lenovo configuration. So we've got a 65-watt barrel connector. No, they have not. Oh, they did ship me the USB-C power adapter, 65 watt. This would be useful, I guess, because it's USB-C. And of course, the standard Malaysia 3-pin plug. So power adapter, 65 watt power adapter, USB-C out of the box. Didn't have to request specially for it. It comes with a Lenovo Active Pen with a pen holder. We'll have a look at this later. And the laptop itself is fairly light. Okay, so let me just see if I can open this. And comes with a screen guard just to make sure there are no scratches on the screen. So let's have a look at the laptop first. Alright, so very quickly, this is the 14-inch graphite gray, and it looks very nice. It has a very soft, almost like a rubberish coating on top, which I think makes it feel quite premium. So let's have a look at the laptop. Now on the left hand side, let me just put it towards the light so you can see it clearer. So there is a power barrel connector, which I will not be using because the power adapter that came with it is USB-C. There is a HDMI connector. So let me just tell you what this is. This is a HDMI 1.4B connector. There is a USB-C, let me just check this. It says USB-C with power delivery 3.0, and then it's got a headphone microphone jack. No, this is the microphone, and this light beside the barrel connector is the power indicator. Nothing much at the back, just some vents for hot air. Let's have a look at the right hand side. On the right hand side of the laptop, there is the power button. There is a 4-in-1 media reader which supports MMC SDHC and SDXC cards. There are two USB 3.1 Type A Gen 1 ports, and one of them is can be configured for always on for charging. Let's look at the front of the laptop. Clean, nothing much on the front. There is no lip to help open the laptop either. At the bottom of the laptop, you can see that the air vents here for air intake. And then at the top, very clean looking laptop with just the Lenovo logo. This laptop weighs about 1.5 to 1.6 kilograms. For me, it's fairly light in the hand. So the laptop itself feels fairly premium. Speaker grills on both sides, a fairly large trackpad. Based on what I've read, this is plastic. And then the keys have quite a bit of travel, very tactile keys. And there is also a fingerprint scanner. Now, one of the reasons why I chose this laptop is because it also has a webcam physical guard that you can actually open and close the webcam physically. I can close the webcam and open the webcam, and it's a 2-in-1 convertible, so I can fold it flat and I can turn it around to make it like a tablet use. Okay, so let's go ahead and power on the laptop. Now this, I remember what I saw online that I have to have power connected. Right, so this is the power adapter, which is USB-C. So let me just see if I can show you. I'm just going to plug into the USB-C. Right, so that's the power indicator to show that it's actually charging. I don't know how I feel about using either the barrel connector or the USB-C. USB-C is good because it's got fast charging, but if I'm charging the laptop, I cannot use the USB-C port. That's being charged. So let me just quickly turn on the laptop. And the power button is on the right hand side. I'm going to configure the language. I'm just going to say yes. So this screen is a 1080p Full HD.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Your keyboard is set to US. Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
So it looks like I need to sign into my Microsoft account. After I've logged into my Microsoft account, it actually asks me whether I want to sign in using a fingerprint. So I'm just going to say setup. So I'm going to try this again.
Follow the instructions to teach your PC to read your fingerprints. Want to set up a pin?
Now it's gonna ask me now to set up a pin, which I will do. I never realized that the latest Windows 10 has so many configurations to do. So that's done. I have turned off most of the online feedback and data upload directly from Windows because of privacy reasons. And the laptop also asks to register this laptop to the user to Lenovo's website. So this configuration, once done, will take a few more minutes. So the Windows has been configured. So one of the things I want to do is to see how much of bloatware we have on the laptop. So let me just have a seat and see if I can do uninstall, add and remove programs. There we go. Let's see. Okay, I'm just going to scroll down the list. So very quickly, Microsoft stuff, that's all fine. Microsoft stuff, that's all fine. So we've got Lenovo Vantage, which is basically I think the Lenovo software update / driver utility. There's also a Lenovo utility. Let's see, there are apps from Microsoft. There is McAfee LiveSafe. I don't know if this comes with a McAfee license, but if not, I will uninstall this. There is Office 365. It comes with 1 month free trial, so I'm going to uninstall this as well. It then comes with most of Microsoft's application. So not too many bloatware. So just looking through again. So the few that I will uninstall would be, I'd say the McAfee LiveSafe, which takes about 570 megabytes. I got to check what kind of license is being offered here. Office 365, so I'm going to uninstall that as well. And that is basically it. So pretty good. This is the standard wallpaper from Lenovo. So very quickly, I want to just roughly read through what specs there are on this laptop that I've purchased. So this laptop came in about, I'd say about $850 US. That's about 3,700 plus ringgits. It comes with a Ryzen 7 4700U, which has 8 cores, 8 threads. It has an inbuilt GPU, which is the Radeon graphics in the Ryzen 7. It has a 14-inch Full HD glossy 10-point multi-touch screen with optional pen support. And the good thing about this particular model is it actually comes with the Lenovo pen. So let's have a look at this. Now, according to the order, Lenovo does not ship a battery with the pen. So to use this pen, one must actually order the battery separately. And what battery does this use? It uses the E96 Quad A batteries. So just make sure that it's correct. It's Quad A, so AAAA, as compared to the usual AA or AAA. So these are Quad A batteries. It's my first time using this, and it comes with a USB pen holder. Let me make sure I can, which lets you plug this into one of the USB ports. This is like pretty soft rubber, and then you can like just like put your pen inside to carry it with you. Alright, I'm just going to move this away. Okay, let's have a look and see. That is a very long thread, isn't it? There doesn't seem to be a power switch. Okay, there we go. So this is an active pen. I will have to play more with this because I've never used this before. So if you can see, there's actually a stylus or a mouse pointer that hovers on top of the screen even if I don't touch the screen. Okay, so this pen is working. Right, so what else does it have? The unit that I have for that $850 again comes with the Ryzen 7 4700U. It comes with 16 GB of. So I'm gonna go play around a bit more with the laptop, and then I will make another video on what I have done with the laptop or what else I find out with the laptop.